How to remove ads on Chai app. So if you want to remove ads on your Chai app, then to start, open up your Google Play Store on your mobile. After opening, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and in the search bar, you need to search for AdGuard. It'll show you the AdGuard app, which has a green logo. Make sure to check its download numbers and readings, as it'll show you various options. Then hit the install button to install the app on your phone. After its complete installation, once it's done installing, open the app and tap on the Get Started button, which will be on the bottom, and choose your browser. As of now, Chrome does not support any ad blocking extensions or apps. You can urge Chrome developers to add support for AdGuard and other content blockers. To do so, visit the Chrome Help Store and upload the issue. After that, you can tap on Go to Products and download the AdGuard for your Android. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.